everyone, welcome back to Saurabh Bhattacharya Official. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and generative AI. These terms are often thrown around, but what do they really mean? Stick around and by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the differences between them, with some cool examples too. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about artificial intelligence. AI or artificial intelligence is about creating machines that can think and act like humans. It allows computer to learn from experiences, understand languages, recognize patterns and make decisions. Think of it as giving machines a kind of brain power that helps them to do tasks without being directly told how to do everything step by step. For example, AI is what power robots vacuum cleaner that can map your house and clean it efficiently without bumping into obstacles. Or consider AI powered translator app that can translate spoken language in real time, breaking down language barriers in global communication. Next, let's zoom in on machine learning. Machine learning or ML is a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning focuses on creating algorithms that allow computer to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every single task. Take for instance Gmail spam filter. It learns from millions of emails to determine what's spam and what's not, constantly improving its accuracy. Or think about how Amazon suggests product based on your past purchases. Yeah, that's machine learning at work. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that focuses on neural network with many layers, enabling the modeling of complex patterns and representations in large dataset. Deep learning algorithms use layer of interconnected nodes, which we generally call it neurons, to process data in a manner inspired by the human brain. This layered approach allows the system to automatically learn features and representations from raw data, making it highly effective for tasks involving unstructured data such as images, audio, and text. Have you ever noticed how Google Photos can automatically recognize and tag your faces in your picture? That's deep learning in action. And let's not forget about Tesla's self-driving technology, which relies heavily on deep learning to navigate the roads safely. Finally, let's talk about generative AI. Unlike traditional AI, which is mainly about analyzing or classifying data, generative AI can create new content like text, images, music, or even videos based on what it has learned. For example, ChatGPT can generate human-like text based on a prompt you give it. Or consider DALL-E, which can create images from text description like a cat wearing a spacesuit. And while deepfake videos might be controversial, they are a perfect example of how generative AI can create realistic video content from existing data. To summarize, artificial intelligence is the broad field that includes everything from simple automation to advanced systems. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on learning from data. Deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning that uses neural networks to process complex data like text, images, music, or videos. And generative AI is a creative application of AI that can generate new content. I hope this breakdown helps clear up the differences between these key terms. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. And let me know in the comment section which AI applications you find the most exciting. Thank you.